Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, this is a review about the transportation topic that we saw on Tuesday, right? Okay, so this is my poster about transportation. Do you remember what transportation it is? Well, transportation is the different ways that you use to get from one place to another. Yes, we can go on land. This is a road. On water, this is a sea. And in the air. Wow, flying in the air. When you go on land, you can use a train. Okay, this is a train, orange train. A car. Wow, this is a car. Or a bus. This is a yellow bus, right? Or a bicycle. You can also use a motorcycle or a minivan, right? Yes. When you go or when you travel by water, on water, you can use a sailboat or a canoe, jet ski, or submarine. Yes, under the water. Wow. And when you travel in the air, you can use a hot air balloon or a helicopter, or you can use an airplane or a rocket. Wow. What a special travel will be, right? If you use a rocket. Wow. So this is transportation. Remember the different ways that you use to get from one place to another, right? Excellent.